Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into a review of Whirlpool Ice and Water Refrigerator Filter 2, EDR2RXD1, Single Pack. We'll cover everything you need to know, from its features and performance to the pros and cons. So let's get started. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more reviews and content. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. 1. Certified Contaminant Reduction. The everydrop Filter 2 is NSF certified to reduce 28 contaminants, including pharmaceuticals, pesticides, waterborne parasites, lead, and mercury. This certification ensures a high level of water purification. 2. Microcontaminant Reduction. It is specially designed to reduce microcontaminants that are smaller than 1 micron in size, providing an extra level of filtration that ensures even the tiniest impurities are removed. 3. 6-month filter life. Each filter is built to last for 6 months or 200 gallons, whichever comes first. This makes it an efficient choice for households that require consistent water filtration over a longer period. 4. Compatibility. The everydrop Filter 2 is compatible with various brands and models beyond Whirlpool, including select models from Maytag, KitchenAid, Genair, and Amana, making it a versatile option for many refrigerator owners. 5. Quick and easy installation. The filter is designed for easy installation with a simple push-and-turn mechanism. Users do not need any special tools or professional assistance to replace the filter. 6. Advanced Triple Filtration Technology. It uses a proprietary triple filtration process that includes activated carbon, sediment filtration, and a polishing filter to ensure optimal water quality and taste. 7. Eco-friendly choice. Using this filter helps reduce plastic waste by minimizing the need for bottled water. It's a more sustainable option for environmentally conscious consumers. 8. Premium water taste. The filter is engineered to preserve the natural minerals found in water while removing impurities, resulting in crisp, clean, and great-tasting water and ice. 9. Customer satisfaction. It has high ratings and positive reviews from customers, often praised for its reliable performance and the noticeable improvement in water and ice quality. 10. Warranty and support. Whirlpool provides a warranty for the everydrop Filter 2, along with dedicated customer support to assist with any issues or questions, ensuring customer peace of mind. Everydrop Filter 2 is the only filter approved by Whirlpool, Maytag, Amana, KitchenAid, and Genair brands. For clean, fresh-tasting water, replace your Whirlpool water filter every 6 months. Certified to reduce 99% of lead, offering superior contaminant reduction for you and your family. Reduces 28 contaminants including lead, pesticides, pharmaceuticals, and waterborne parasites. NSF 401, 53 and 42 certified. If you want to buy this product, link in the description.